मैं किताब पढ़ रहा था। I was reading a book. तुम क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing? वो स्कूल जा रहा था। He was going to school. हम फिल्म देख रहे थे। We were watching a movie. वो खुश हो रही थी। She was feeling happy. मैं सो रहा था। I was sleeping. तुम गाना गा रहे थे। You was singing a song. वो खाना बना रही थी। She was cooking food. हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे। We were playing cricket. तुमने क्या देखा था? What were you watching? वो टीवी देख रहा था। He was watching TV. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था। I was thinking about you. हम दुकान पर जा रहे थे। We were going to the shop. वो मेरे साथ बात कर रही थी। She was talking to me. मैं तुम्हें ढूंढ रहा था। I was looking for you. वो काम कर रहा था। He was working. हम नदी में तैर रहे थे। We were swimming in the river. तुम क्यों चुप थे? Why were you silent? वो गाने की कोशिश कर रहा था। He was trying to sing. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर रहा था। I was helping you. तुम वहां क्यों खड़े थे? Why were you standing there? वो बारिश में भीग रही थी। She was getting wet in the rain. हम पार्क में सैर कर रहे थे। We were walking in the park. वो पढ़ाई कर रही थी। She was studying. मैं खिड़की से देख रहा था। I was looking through the window. तुम इस समय क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing at this time? वो फोन पर बात कर रही थी। She was talking on the phone. मैं काम कर रहा था और तुम सो रहे थे। I was working and you were sleeping. वो गाड़ी चला रहा था। He was driving a car. हम सब मिलकर डिनर खा रहे थे। We were having dinner together. तुम पढ़ाई में व्यस्त थे। You were busy studying. वो मेरे घर आ रही थी। She was coming to my house. मैं तुम्हारे साथ खेल रहा था। I was playing with you. वो लंच कर रही थी। She was having lunch. हम चाय पी रहे थे। We were drinking tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? वो संगीत सुन रही थी। She was listening to music. मैं उसे समझा रहा था। I was explaining to him. हम वहाँ इंतजार कर रहे थे। We were waiting there. वो कहीं जा रहा था। He was going somewhere. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था, जबकि वो खेल रहा था। I was studying while he was playing. तुम किताब पढ़ रहे थे? Were you reading a book? वो चुपचाप काम कर रही थी। She was working silently. हम ताज महल देख रहे थे। We were seeing the Taj Mahal. तुम उस समय क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing at that time? वो मेरी मदद कर रही थी। She was helping me. मैं उस पर गुस्से में था। I was angry with him. वो मुझे देख रहा था। He was looking at me. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ रहा था। I was waking up early in the morning. वो जल्दी जल्दी घर जा रही थी। She was going home quickly. हम खेल में हिस्सा ले रहे थे। We were participating in the game. तुम मेरे बारे में सोच रहे थे। You were thinking about me. वो शाम को दौड़ रही थी। She was running in the evening. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर रहा था, जबकि वो सो रहा था। I was helping you while he was sleeping. वो रास्ते में मिल रही थी। She was meeting on the way. हम स्कूल में खेल रहे थे। We were playing in the school. तुम कार चला रहे थे। You were driving the car. वो मुझसे बात कर रही थी। She was talking to me. मैं किताबें पढ़ रहा था। I was reading books. वो कहीं जा रहा था। He was going somewhere. हम लंच खा रहे थे। We were having lunch. तुम स्कूल में क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing in school? वो सर्दी में बाहर जा रही थी। She was going out in the cold. मैं अपनी पसंदीदा फिल्म देख रहा था। I was watching my favorite movie. वो पानी पी रही थी। She was drinking water. हम सब कुछ कर रहे थे। We were doing everything. तुम इतने देर से क्यों सो रहे थे? Why were you sleeping so late? वो ऑफिस जा रही थी। She was going to the office. मैं चाय पी रहा था। I was drinking tea. वो सड़क पर चल रही थी। She was walking on the road. हम पार्टी में जा रहे थे। We were going to the party. वो मुझसे बहुत कुछ कह रही थी। She was saying a lot to me. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर रहा था। I was helping you. वो अपने घर में काम कर रही थी। She was working in her house. हम गाने गा रहे थे। We were singing songs. वो स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर रही थी। She was studying in school. मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा था। I was talking to you. वो मेरे साथ नहीं थी। She was not with me. हम बाहर जा रहे थे। We were going outside. वो बहुत देर तक सो रही थी। She was sleeping for a long time. तुम चुप थे क्योंकि तुम कुछ सोच रहे थे। You were silent because you were thinking about something. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था और वो कुछ और कर रहा था। I was studying and he was doing something else. वो मुझे कॉल कर रही थी। She was calling me. हम लंच कर रहे थे और तुम खेलने गए थे। We were having lunch and you went to play. वो गाने का प्रयास कर रही थी। She was trying to sing. मैं तुमसे मिलने जा रहा था। I was going to meet you. वो वर्कआउट कर रही थी। She was working out. हम सब कुछ समझ रहे थे. We were understanding everything. वो टेलीफोन पर बात कर रहा था. He was talking on the phone. मैं अपनी किताबें सजा रहा था. I was arranging my books. वो गाड़ी चला रही थी. She was driving the car. हम जंगल में घूम रहे थे. We were walking in the forest. वो फिल्म देख रही थी. She was watching a movie. मैं बगीचे में काम कर रहा था. I was working in the garden. तुम उसे ढूंढ रहे थे. You were looking for him. वो मेरे बारे में सोच रही थी. She was thinking about me. हम सब एक साथ बैठे हुए थे. We were sitting together. वो किताब पढ़ रही थी. She was reading a book. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. वो स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर रही थी. She was studying in school. मैं किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा था. I was not reading a book. तुम क्या कर रहे नहीं थे? What were you not doing? वो स्कूल नहीं जा रहा था. He was not going to school. हम फिल्म नहीं देख रहे थे. We were not watching a movie. वो खुश नहीं हो रही थी. She was not feeling happy. मैं सो नहीं रहा था. I was not sleeping. तुम गाना नहीं गा रहे थे. You were not singing a song. वो खाना नहीं बना रही थी. She was not cooking food. हम क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे थे. We were not playing cricket. तुमने क्या नहीं देखा था? What were you not watching? वो टीवी नहीं देख रहा था. He was not watching TV. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं सोच रहा था. I was not thinking about you. हम दुकान पर नहीं जा रहे थे. We were not going to the shop. वो मेरे साथ बात नहीं कर रही थी. She was not talking to me. मैं तुम्हें नहीं ढूंढ रहा था. I was not looking for you. वो काम नहीं कर रहा था. He was not working. हम नदी में तैर नहीं रहे थे. We were not swimming in the river. तुम क्यों चुप नहीं थे? Why were you not silent? वो गाने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा था. He was not trying to sing. मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर रहा था. I was not helping you. तुम वहां क्यों खड़े नहीं थे? Why were you not standing there? वो बारिश में नहीं भीग रही थी. She was not getting wet in the rain. हम पार्क में सैर नहीं कर रहे थे. We were not walking in the park. वो पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही थी. She was not studying. मैं खिड़की से नहीं देख रहा था. I was not looking through the window. तुम इस समय क्या नहीं कर रहे थे? What were you not doing at this time? वो फोन पर बात नहीं कर रही थी. She was not talking on the phone. मैं काम कर रहा था और तुम सो नहीं रहे थे. I was working and you were not sleeping. वो गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा था. He was not driving a car. हम सब मिलकर डिनर नहीं खा रहे थे. We were not having dinner together. तुम पढ़ाई में व्यस्त नहीं थे. You were not busy studying. वो मेरे घर नहीं आ रही थी. She was not coming to my house. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं खेल रहा था. I was not playing with you. वो लंच नहीं कर रही थी. She was not having lunch. हम चाय नहीं पी रहे थे. We were not drinking tea. तुम कहाँ नहीं जा रहे थे? Where were you not going? वो संगीत नहीं सुन रही थी. She was not listening to music. मैं उसे नहीं समझा रहा था. I was not explaining to him. हम वहाँ इंतजार नहीं कर रहे थे. We were not waiting there. वो कहीं नहीं जा रहा था. He was not going anywhere. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था, जबकि वह नहीं खेल रहा था. I was studying while he was not playing. तुम किताब नहीं पढ़ रहे थे? Weren't you reading a book? वो चुपचाप काम नहीं कर रही थी. She was not working silently. हम ताज महल नहीं देख रहे थे. We were not seeing the Taj Mahal. तुम उस समय क्या नहीं कर रहे थे? What were you not doing at that time? वो मेरी मदद नहीं कर रही थी. She was not helping me. मैं उस पर गुस्से में नहीं था. I was not angry with him. वो मुझे नहीं देख रहा था. He was not looking at me. मैं सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठ रहा था. I was not waking up early in the morning. वो जल्दी जल्दी घर नहीं जा रही थी. She was not going home quickly. हम खेल में हिस्सा नहीं ले रहे थे. We were not participating in the game. तुम मेरे बारे में नहीं सोच रहे थे. You were not thinking about me. वो शाम को दौड़ नहीं रही थी. She was not running in the evening. मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर रहा था, जबकि वो सो रहा था. I was not helping you while he was sleeping. वो रास्ते में नहीं मिल रही थी. She was not meeting on the way. हम स्कूल में नहीं खेल रहे थे. We were not playing in the school. तुम कार नहीं चला रहे थे. You were not driving the car. वो मुझसे बात नहीं कर रही थी. She was not talking to me. मैं किताबें नहीं पढ़ रहा था. I was not reading books. वो कहीं नहीं जा रहा था. He was not going anywhere. हम लंच नहीं खा रहे थे. We were not having lunch. तुम स्कूल में क्या नहीं कर रहे थे? What were you not doing in school? वो सर्दी में बाहर नहीं जा रही थी. She was not going out in the cold. मैं अपनी पसंदीदा फिल्म नहीं देख रहा था. I was not watching my favorite movie. वो पानी नहीं पी रही थी. She was not drinking water. हम सब कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे. We were not doing everything. तुम इतने देर से क्यों नहीं सो रहे थे? Why were you not sleeping so late? वो ऑफिस नहीं जा रही थी. She was not going to the office. मैं चाय नहीं पी रहा था. I was not drinking tea. वो सड़क पर नहीं चल रही थी. She was not walking on the road. हम पार्टी में नहीं जा रहे थे. We were not going to the party. वो मुझसे बहुत कुछ नहीं कह रही थी. She was not saying a lot to me. मैं तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर रहा था. I was not helping you. वो अपने घर में काम नहीं कर रही थी. She was not working in her house. हम गाने नहीं गा रहे थे. We were not singing songs. वो स्कूल में पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही थी. She was not studying in school. मैं तुमसे बात नहीं कर रहा था. I was not talking to you. वो मेरे साथ नहीं थी. She was not with me. हम बाहर नहीं जा रहे थे. We were not going outside. वो बहुत देर तक नहीं सो रही थी. She was not sleeping for a long time. तुम चुप थे क्योंकि तुम कुछ नहीं सोच रहे थे. You were silent because you were not thinking about anything. मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था और वो कुछ और नहीं कर रहा था. I was studying and he was not doing something else. वो मुझे कॉल नहीं कर रही थी. She was not calling me. हम लंच कर रहे थे और तुम खेलने नहीं गए थे. We were having lunch and you did not go to play. वो गाने का प्रयास नहीं कर रही थी. She was not trying to sing. मैं तुमसे मिलने नहीं जा रहा था. I was not going to meet you. वो वर्कआउट नहीं कर रही थी. She was not working out. हम सब कुछ नहीं समझ रहे थे. We were not understanding everything. वो टेलीफोन पर बात नहीं कर रहा था. He was not talking on the phone. मैं अपनी किताबें नहीं सजा रहा था. I was not arranging my books. वो गाड़ी नहीं चला रही थी. She was not driving the car. हम जंगल में नहीं घूम रहे थे. We were not walking in the forest. वो फिल्म नहीं देख रही थी. She was not watching a movie. मैं बगीचे में काम नहीं कर रहा था. I was not working in the garden. तुम उसे नहीं ढूंढ रहे थे. You were not looking for him. वो मेरे बारे में नहीं सोच रही थी. She was not thinking about me. हम सब एक साथ नहीं बैठे हुए थे. We were not sitting together. वो किताब नहीं पढ़ रही थी. She was not reading a book. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं सोच रहा था. I was not thinking about you. वो स्कूल में पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही थी. She was not studying in school. क्या मैं किताब पढ़ रहा था? Was I reading a book? क्या तुम क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing? क्या वो स्कूल जा रहा था? Was he going to school? क्या हम फिल्म देख रहे थे? Were we watching a movie? क्या वो खुश हो रही थी? Was she feeling happy? क्या मैं सो रहा था? Was I sleeping? क्या तुम गाना गा रहे थे? Were you singing a song? क्या वो खाना बना रही थी? Was she cooking food? क्या हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे? Were we playing cricket? क्या तुमने क्या देखा था? What were you watching? क्या वो टीवी देख रहा था? Was he watching TV? क्या मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था? Was I thinking about you? क्या हम दुकान पर जा रहे थे? Were we going to the shop? क्या वो मेरे साथ बात कर रही थी? Was she talking to me? क्या मैं तुम्हें ढूंढ रहा था? Was I looking for you? क्या वो काम कर रहा था? Was he working? क्या हम नदी में तैर रहे थे? Were we swimming in the river? क्या तुम चुप थे? Were you silent? क्या वो गाने की कोशिश कर रहा था? Was he trying to sing? क्या मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर रहा था? Was I helping you? क्या तुम वहां खड़े थे? Were you standing there? क्या वो बारिश में भीग रही थी? Was she getting wet in the rain? क्या हम पार्क में सैर कर रहे थे? Were we walking in the park? क्या वो पढ़ाई कर रही थी? Was she studying? क्या मैं खिड़की से देख रहा था? Was I looking through the window? क्या तुम इस समय क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing at this time? क्या वो फोन पर बात कर रही थी? Was she talking on the phone? क्या मैं काम कर रहा था और तुम सो रहे थे? Was I working while you were sleeping? क्या वो गाड़ी चला रहा था? Was he driving a car? क्या हम सब मिलकर डिनर खा रहे थे? Were we having dinner together? क्या तुम पढ़ाई में व्यस्त थे? Were you busy studying? क्या वो मेरे घर आ रही थी? Was she coming to my house? क्या मैं तुम्हारे साथ खेल रहा था? Was I playing with you? क्या वो लंच कर रही थी? Was she having lunch? क्या हम चाय पी रहे थे? Were we drinking tea? क्या तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? क्या वो संगीत सुन रही थी? Was she listening to music? क्या मैं उसे समझा रहा था? Was I explaining to him? क्या हम वहाँ इंतजार कर रहे थे? Were we waiting there? क्या वो कहीं जा रहा था? Was he going somewhere? क्या मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था जबकि वो खेल रहा था? Was I studying while he was playing? क्या तुम किताब पढ़ रहे थे? Were you reading a book? क्या वो चुपचाप काम कर रही थी? Was she working silently? क्या हम ताजमहल देख रहे थे? Were we seeing the Taj Mahal? क्या तुम उस समय क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing at that time? क्या वो मेरी मदद कर रही थी? Was she helping me? क्या मैं उस पर गुस्से में था? Was I angry with him? क्या वो मुझे देख रहा था? Was he looking at me? क्या मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ रहा था? Was I waking up early in the morning? क्या वो जल्दी जल्दी घर जा रही थी? Was she going home quickly? क्या हम खेल में हिस्सा ले रहे थे? Were we participating in the game? क्या तुम मेरे बारे में सोच रहे थे? Were you thinking about me? क्या वो शाम को दौड़ रही थी? Was she running in the evening? क्या मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर रहा था जबकि वो सो रहा था? Was I helping you while he was sleeping? क्या वो रास्ते में मिल रही थी? Was she meeting on the way? क्या हम स्कूल में खेल रहे थे? Were we playing in the school? क्या तुम कार चला रहे थे? Were you driving the car? क्या वो मुझसे बात कर रही थी? Was she talking to me? क्या मैं किताबें पढ़ रहा था? Was I reading books? क्या वो कहीं जा रहा था? Was he going anywhere? क्या हम लंच खा रहे थे? Were we having lunch? क्या तुम स्कूल में क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing in school? क्या वो सर्दी में बाहर जा रही थी? Was she going out in the cold? क्या मैं अपनी पसंदीदा फिल्म देख रहा था? Was I watching my favorite movie? क्या वो पानी पी रही थी? Was she drinking water? क्या हम सब कुछ कर रहे थे? Were we doing everything? क्या तुम इतने देर से सो रहे थे? Were you sleeping so late? क्या वो ऑफिस जा रही थी? Was she going to the office? क्या मैं चाय पी रहा था? Was I drinking tea? क्या वो सड़क पर चल रही थी? Was she walking on the road? क्या हम पार्टी में जा रहे थे? Were we going to the party? क्या वो मुझसे बहुत कुछ कह रही थी? Was she saying a lot to me? क्या मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर रहा था? Was I helping you? क्या वो अपने घर में काम कर रही थी? Was she working in her house? क्या हम गाने गा रहे थे? Were we singing songs? क्या वो स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर रही थी? Was she studying in school? क्या मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा था? Was I talking to you? क्या वो मेरे साथ थी? Was she with me? क्या हम बाहर जा रहे थे? Were we going outside? क्या वो बहुत देर तक सो रही थी? Was she sleeping for a long time? क्या तुम चुप थे क्योंकि तुम कुछ सोच रहे थे? Were you silent because you were thinking about something? क्या मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा था और वो कुछ और कर रहा था? Was I studying and he was doing something else? क्या वो मुझे कॉल कर रही थी? Was she calling me? क्या हम लंच कर रहे थे और तुम खेलने गए थे? Were we having lunch and you went to play? क्या वो गाने का प्रयास कर रही थी? Was she trying to sing? क्या मैं तुमसे मिलने जा रहा था? Was I going to meet you? क्या वो वर्कआउट कर रही थी? Was she working out? क्या हम सब कुछ समझ रहे थे? Were we understanding everything? क्या वो फिल्म देख रही थी? Was she watching a movie? क्या मैं बगीचे में काम कर रहा था? Was I working in the garden? क्या तुम उसे ढूंढ रहे थे? Were you looking for him? क्या वो मेरे बारे में सोच रही थी? Was she thinking about me? क्या हम सब एक साथ बैठे हुए थे? Were we sitting together? क्या वो किताब पढ़ रही थी? Was she reading a book? क्या मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था? Was I thinking about you? क्या वो स्कूल में पढ़ाई कर रही थी? Was she studying in school? तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? वो क्या कर रहा था? What was he doing? वे क्या खा रहे थे? What were they eating? तुम क्या सोच रहे थे? What were you thinking? वो क्यों रो रहा था? Why was he crying? हम क्यों दौड़ रहे थे? Why were we running? तुम क्या पढ़ रहे थे? What were you reading? वो किससे बात कर रहा था? Who was he talking to? तुम किसे देख रहे थे? Who were you looking at? वे कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were they going? तुम किसके साथ चल रहे थे? Who were you walking with? वो कब आ रहा था? When was he coming? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने तुम्हें देखा? What were you doing when I saw you? वो क्यों हंस रहा था? Why was he laughing? वे कैसे बात कर रहे थे? How were they talking? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं आया था? What were you doing when I came? वो क्यों चुप था? Why was he quiet? तुम मुझसे क्या पूछ रहे थे? What were you asking me? वे कहाँ खड़े थे? Where were they standing? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं फोन कर रहा था? What were you doing when I was calling? वो क्या गा रहा था? What was he singing? तुम क्या सोच रहे थे जब मैं तुमसे बात कर रहा था? What were you thinking when I was talking to you? वे किसके साथ खेल रहे थे? Who were they playing with? तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं जा रहे थे? Why weren't you going to school? वो क्यों दुखी था? Why was he sad? तुम कितनी देर से सो रहे थे? How long had you been sleeping? वे कब तक काम कर रहे थे? How long were they working? वो क्यों भाग रहा था? Why was he running? तुम क्यों चिल्ला रहे थे? Why were you shouting? वो क्या बना रहा था? What was he making? तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? Who were you talking to? वे कहाँ खेल रहे थे? Where were they playing? तुम किसके साथ यात्रा कर रहे थे? Who were you traveling with? वो क्यों मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा था? Why wasn't he talking to me? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं तुम्हें कॉल कर रहा था? What were you doing when I was calling you? वो क्या देख रहा था? What was he watching? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब बारिश हो रही थी? What were you doing when it was raining? वे किसके साथ जा रहे थे? Who were they going with? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने तुम्हें देखा था? What were you doing when I saw you? वो क्यों परेशान था? Why was he upset? तुम मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे थे? What were you thinking about me? वे किताबें क्यों पढ़ रहे थे? Why were they reading books? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने तुम्हें बुलाया? What were you doing when I called you? वो क्या कर रहा था जब मैं पहुंचा था? What was he doing when I arrived? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने तुम्हें देखा? What were you doing when I saw you? वो क्यों दौड़ रहा था? Why was he running? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब घर में आग लगी थी? What were you doing when the house caught fire? वे किसके साथ जा रहे थे? Who were they going with? तुम कब तक पढ़ाई कर रहे थे? How long were you studying? वो कहाँ जा रहा था? Where was he going? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं घर आ रहा था? What were you doing when I was coming home? वो क्या बनाना चाहता था? What did he want to make? तुम क्यों गा रहे थे? Why were you singing? वे कहाँ बैठकर बात कर रहे थे? Where were they sitting and talking? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब वो फोन आया था? What were you doing when the phone rang? वो कब तक रुकने वाला था? How long was he going to stay? तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे जब मैं तुम्हें देख रहा था? Where were you going when I was watching you? वे क्या कह रहे थे? What were they saying? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं तुम्हें कॉल कर रहा था? What were you doing when I was calling you? वो क्यों परेशान था? Why was he troubled? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं सो रहा था? What were you doing when I was sleeping? वे क्या सोच रहे थे? What were they thinking? तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? Who were you talking to? वो क्या कर रहा था जब मैंने उसे देखा? What was he doing when I saw him? तुम क्यों हंस रहे थे? Why were you laughing? वो किससे मिल रहा था? Who was he meeting? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं तुम्हारे पास आया? What were you doing when I came to you? वे कैसे भाग रहे थे? How were they running? तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे? Where were you going? वो क्यों काम कर रहा था? Why was he working? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने तुम्हें बुलाया? What were you doing when I called you? वो क्या खा रहा था? What was he eating? तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे? Who were you talking to? वे कहाँ जा रहे थे जब मैंने देखा? Where were they going when I saw them? तुम किससे मिल रहे थे? Who were you meeting? वो कब तक खेल रहा था? How long was he playing? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं आ रहा था? What were you doing when I was coming? वो क्या पूछ रहा था? What was he asking? तुम क्यों खा रहे थे? Why were you eating? वे क्या कर रहे थे जब बारिश हो रही थी? What were they doing when it was raining? तुम कहाँ जा रहे थे जब मैंने तुम्हें देखा? Where were you going when I saw you? वो क्यों रो रहा था? Why was he crying? तुम क्या गा रहे थे? What were you singing? वे क्या कर रहे थे जब तुम आए थे? What were they doing when you came? तुम क्यों डर रहे थे? Why were you scared? वो क्यों थक रहा था? Why was he getting tired? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब मैंने दरवाजा खटखटाया? What were you doing when I knocked on the door? वो क्यों आराम कर रहा था? Why was he resting? तुम क्यों चुप थे जब मैंने तुम्हें पूछा? Why were you silent when I asked you? वे कहाँ जा रहे थे जब मैं उन्हें देख रहा था? Where were they going when I was watching them? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब वो आया? What were you doing when he came? वो क्यों पढ़ाई कर रहा था? Why was he studying? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब तुम्हें चोट लगी? What were you doing when you got hurt? वे क्या कर रहे थे जब मैं उन्हें मिला? What were they doing when I met them? तुम क्या कर रहे थे जब वो तुम्हें देखा? What were you doing when he saw you? वो क्यों काम कर रहा था? Why was he working? तुम क्यों दुखी थे? Why were you sad? वे कैसे भाग रहे थे? How were they running? तुम किससे बात कर रहे थे जब मैं आया? Who were you talking to when I came? वो क्या सोच रहा था? What was he thinking?